all this is like nice and black. I just need to get this out. So we're gonna try to remove the cat from the Skyline today, and we're going to try and unbolt it. We've got it jacked up on some stairs. Where are we? So if you can see here, we've got some cat goodness going on. And we want to take that out. And for now, we're just going to bash out the insides because I'm never going to use this part again. So I'm going to go ahead and undo these bolts so we can get the cat off. So once you're under the car, you want to have your socket firmly in place, nice and ready to go. Maybe even prep the bolts with some anti-rust, like some CRC, WD-40 or something like that. The socket size you want to use is 14 mil. And yeah, you just want to crack the bolts, which I've already done just to save some time. It can prove difficult on some cars that don't necessarily have nice bolts to work with. Okay. Just pull that bolts off. Now some cats have a sensor bung put in, some have them further up and further down, really depends on the make and model of car. The idea is still the same. So once you have all 4 bolts undone, it should wiggle quite nicely in place. You might have a ground strap, just disconnect that, put that to the side, and then you can try wiggle it out. And there you have one cat. Just place that down there. And as you can see, you got your exhaust gaskets, your heat shield. This is just all a stock, stock exhaust on a RB25 Neo. Once you've got your cat out, you can get your gaskets. You would want to replace those, but some people try and reuse them because they're multi-steel. Just put those up there. And here you have one cat. And then you've got the honeycomb that we've got to knock out. This actually doesn't look too bad, it looks pretty clean, but still restricts a lot of airflow. Got like a number on it as well. Got the hammer, we've got various assortment of tools, got like some crowbars. You just pretty much find whatever, fits down the hole and you can smash it out successfully. So I'm just going to set up the camera somewhere and see if we can get this away. And there we have it. The insides of a Nissan Skyline R34 GTT coupe cat. I think it's standard high flow, but so many random pieces of like little shards of metal and whatnot. Check this out. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like all these little pieces, like almost like gold. Anyway, that's the inside of the cat. And then you've got a beautiful pipe that's now just going to flow perfectly with air. And now we chuck it back in. Alright. One hollowed out decat. Well, it's not really decat, it's still a cat, but it's hollowed out. The deceiver. Alright, and that's that. This is what I got, guys. I've got a removable Momo F1 concept steering wheel on a Scarl's long neck Boss. So we got our RB25 Det, single turbo. Pretty stock, you know. Still got, you know, in the planning stage of a lot of things. I've got a fuel pressure regulator on its way, which has got to go in. Got my GFD blow-off valve just tucked in there. Wonder if I'll be able to pull that room for you.